We're going to be working on the fronts and the sides and getting those put together so that we can make a full mock-up of the whole crib. And then the only thing that's really left would be the pegs. The mortises and then the tenons are ready. They needed just a little bit of a fine sanding with 220 so that they'd fit just really snug in here. So that's what we're doing. We're just getting these things together and should be close to a final product, which is really exciting. So let's do it. Well, this has been one great day of working on the crib. As you can see behind me, we finally have this thing mocked up. We have it put together, and oh, it just looks so awesome. Like, from the first time that I drew it up and when I was first starting to design this thing, I was like, okay, this would be cool, this would be cool, this would be cool. And actually seeing all these different things that I've had in my head come to fruition and be able to see it with my own eyes, it's just amazing. So I'll just let you look at it too. Now we're not completely finished with it. We still got a couple things to do. We still got to get those pegs figured out, and still got just a tiny bit more sanding to do. And I guess one other thing we have to do is we have to make the platform still for the mattress to go on, but that shouldn't be too big of a deal. Yeah, and then just to be finishing it with tung oil. So just to seal it all up, and that's it. So we've got like 1 or 2 more episodes before we can finally finish this thing off and call her done and Piper can sleep in it. But yeah, so if you've made it this far, I just want to thank you for watching. It's been a lot of work, but it's been a lot of fun too. So again, thanks for watching, and if you like this video and you want to see more the finish of this crib, hit the subscribe button and do me a favor and leave a like. Thanks.